Begin holding the roller on either side, arms straight, applying firm pressure through the hands. Raise the roller to shoulder height, twist it one way, then the other, keeping the arms straight and maintaining that pressure. Raising your roller up overhead, side bend one way, and then the other. Return to standing, roller overhead. We're going to lower and lift the roller back up 5 times. Keeping the roller overhead, we're going to go into 10 squats. Roller stays overhead in the squat and lowers down to hip height as we come back up. Stand the roller on its end about an arm's length away from you and lower down to a jackknife stretch. Coming back up, we're going to keep holding onto that roller for support. Step our feet wide. We're going down into 5 wide-legged squats. Raise the heels and come down for 5 more. Stepping our feet back in, we're going to turn our body slightly to the left. Right leg goes up and over that roller and back. Other side. Grab that roller and position it across the back of your mat. Stepping that right foot forward into a lunge, rest the left leg on the roller about mid-shin, raise the back knee, and come up. Back into our lunge, and repeat for a total of 10 reps. You can adjust your back foot as necessary if you find the roller is starting to shift positions. Reset to the starting lunge position and repeat on the other side. Coming off the roller, we're going to position it across the front end of our mat. Coming into a tabletop position, place your hands about shoulder width apart, firmly on the roller. making sure that you feel stable. Step both legs back and hold a plank for 30 seconds. Release your knees down to the mat and stretch back. Returning to that plank position that you were just in, we're going to go into 2 sets of 5 push-ups on the roller. To modify, keep your knees down on the mat. In between sets, lower your knees to the mat and stretch back. Coming up for your second set. Lower the knees when you're done and stretch back. Reposition the roller as necessary to come into a side plank, left side down, roller beneath the lower part of your legs, left foot in front of your right foot for support. Place your left hand behind your head and raise your hips. Stabilize yourself, then twist, left elbow touches down to the mat and back up for a total of 5 reps. Twisting over to the other side, repeat for 5 more reps. Transition to an extended plank, palms flat, arms straight, roller beneath the shins, keeping the core tight. Pull both knees in towards you and extend for a total of 10 reps. Lower the knees and stretch back. Returning to that plank position you were just in, position the roller beneath your shins about midway. We're going to pike up and twist to the left 5 times. Lower the knees and stretch back. Reset and repeat on the other side. Lower the knees and stretch back. Returning to plank, this time forearms down. We're still going to be placing that roller beneath our shins. I want you to get really tight through the core. Right side leg lifts 10 times. Left side for 10 more. Lower your knees and transition to a seated position, placing the roller beneath the lower part of your legs just above your ankles. We're going into 8 Pilates roll-ups. So on an inhale, come back, arms reach up overhead. Curling back up on the exhale, we reach towards the toes, trying to keep those legs down as much as possible. Repeat, inhale, open up. And exhale, reach for your toes. Staying down on the mat, we're going to get that roller beneath the soles of our feet, feet hip width apart, arms down at our sides.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining out, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Pulling your right knee in towards you and extending your left leg out long, nod your chin down and raise your head up off the mat towards your knee, going into single leg extensions 10 times on each side. Bringing both knees back in, you can bring your feet back down to the mat, lift the hips, push the roller aside, come back down to your mat and hug your knees. Stretch out long and take a few deep breaths to finish up. Please subscribe to this channel, and if you want to see more videos like this one, please let me know in the comments down below.